Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Sagehood AI. In order to do so, here we are at sagehood AI, and with Sagehood, you can harness real-time market intelligence utilizing AI-driven insights to stay ahead in the dynamic world of finance. You have intelligent analysis at your fingertips, deep dive analysis with specialized agents contributing unique perspectives. You can capture data from diverse sources for pristine analysis. You can dynamically optimize investment strategies. You can converge insights, producing unparalleled understanding. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with Sagehood. So we'll just scroll down here. If you want to enter your email to receive exclusive market overview, data trends, and AI-powered insights, then you can subscribe here. But let's go ahead and head back up to the top. And you can see that in order to proceed, we do need to sign up. So let's go ahead and click on sign up. It wants us to create an account. So let's go ahead and do that and we'll move forward. Okay, and the sign up process, relatively straightforward. You do need to verify your account with the code sent to your email. But now here we are, we're all logged in. And the first thing that I notice here is that we have 5 free insights today. So you're going to get 5 free insights if you're on the free version. Let's go ahead and explore everything we have available to us. So here we have our markets overview, top gainers, most confident stocks with strongest AI confidence signals, most active stocks with highest trading volume today. We have this plus sign here. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. And it looks like we can ask anything from Sagehood here. So by pressing the plus sign here, then we can ask whatever questions we might have. Let's just click on this here and see what that does. Okay, so we have Sagehood as our default, but we can subscribe in order to get access to news agent, social media buzz, technical trader, financial analyst, geopolitical analyst, macro economist, risk management, satellite imagery, SEE filing watchdog, and sector analyst. So those are additional options, but if we just want to talk to the Sagehood AI and ask our questions, then we can do that there. And I'm just curious if we'll click on this. Okay, so that's just a different view of the same thing. So let's go ahead and move on to our next option here in the menu. We have this light bulb here. So your market radar early morning stock prediction. See where the market is headed before the opening bell and instantly know whether to buy, hold, or sell with domain expert AI agents analysis. And you can subscribe now. Let's go ahead and click on that. And okay, so we have now our pricing. We have our current subscription, which is free. We can view 5 tickers daily. We can create and manage watch list, import our portfolios, and chat with the general Sagehood AI agent. And we have preview access to the market radar. We can upgrade to premium for $29.99 a month, and you can contact them for their enterprise plan. We have some FAQs here at the bottom we can take a look at. Let's go ahead and continue on. We'll click here on this star. Here we have our watch list. So the watch list lets you track your favorite assets with real-time updates and insights. So this is where let's see. So we have no entries yet. We can do list view or tile view. We'll go ahead and move on to the next section. So this again brings us back to our agents. And then finally, we have our portfolios. So you can connect your portfolio to Sagehood for comprehensive AI analysis, report, and deep diagnostic insights to stay ahead of market trends. Let's just take a look here at the bottom. We have our account. We can access our settings, manage our subscription, and we can contact support from here. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations. Go ahead and click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.